Yo, it's Alvy and welcome back to a brand new video here on my channel. Today we complete our journey into opening every single product the Pokemon Company releases featuring Paldean Fates. We've already opened the ETBs, we've already opened the tints featuring both Ancient and Future Paradox Pokemon of Donphan, which we also got blessed with Charizard. Of course, we opened up those 3 Tech Sticker 3-packs, as well as the Premium Collection starting trios boxes. Most recently, of course, a huge favorite of mine, opening up an entire display of the booster bundle boxes. And for today's video, we have the final product on our list, which is the mini tints, and we also have an entire display here to open on today's video, so I am very excited. So without wasting any more time, let's crack open each and every single one of these tints and of course open up some packs. Let's do it. We have 10 mini tints, which each mini tint has 2 packs, which means we have a total of 20 packs in today's opening video. How do we want to do this? Do we want to open a 10 at a time, or should I just open every single 10 and then just open up the packs? I don't know. Conflicted. Which way will be faster? I believe just opening every single 10 and then having each pack there to open will be the best way, or the fastest way. So yeah, let's just do that. So let's do it. There we go. We get our stickers. What are they called? Just stickers, right? Just basic stickers. They're the same as the little collectible cards, which I just noticed that we are missing one of the artworks. So we got Flamigo, we got the Smoliv, Fenizin, and Tinkatink. As you could see in this little artwork right here, we are missing the little Mousehold family. So that is the only artwork we didn't get. We got multiples of the other. That's fine, that ain't a problem. We got our packs here. So now there's just one thing left to do. We gotta spread positive vibes and then get to opening up some packs. So let's do it.
Positive vibes only!
Beautiful. Let's do it. First pack of the day. Oh my god, I am so excited that this is gonna be the final product that we get to open here on the channel, because now we could focus on building our binder and of course looking to do some trades for us to complete our Paldean Fates set. We got Strubat and we got Reverum holographic in the back. So yeah, as you know, we're looking to 100% complete this set. Hopefully we pull something that we don't already have, but of course if we do, it ain't no problem. We could use that as trades, and yeah, trades for something that we actually need. A little Fampy reverse, Gimme Go reverse, and ooh, another Reverum holographic. That was 110 down. Remember, each 10 has only 2 packs, so yeah, that 10 did not have anything crazy for us. So we got an Electric Energy, Nemona, Natu, Rare Candy, Cottonee, Ultra Ball, we got Primate, Whimsicott, Reverse Ghastly, Maractus Reverse, and Heat Rotom. Moving on. Code card for you. On to the front. We got a Fire Energy. Let's hope that this pack brings us some fire hits. Swoobat, we got a I spoiled myself a little bit. Gengar, and then we got ourselves our first shiny, which is a Gloom. Nice. We definitely needed this shiny. Oh, such a beautiful freaking shiny. I love green shinies. I think they're 2-for-1 combo. Let's freaking do it. Palafin, we do already have them, but look at this menacing Dolphin. Oh my god. And then a Cerulege in the back. Nice, I see you freaking do it. Now that's a 2-for-1 combo. pack opening right there. Woo! Moving on, we got a Steel Energy, cute little Lechonk, cute little Charcadet, cute little Clobbopus, Varoom, Willow Trail, Nest Ball, Lantern, oof, Mousehold, how you doing, buddy? Or family? And a Cerulege again, holographic in the back. Moving on, code card for you, one to the front. We got a Darkness Energy. There's a Woobat, a Fampi, Dedenne, Noibat, Clive, Whimsicott, Scrafty, Reverse Dedenne, Reverse Mastiff, and oh, Paldean Students Full Art! Let's freaking go, dude! Woo! The hits keep coming. Let's freaking go. Code card for you. One to the front. We got a Darkness Energy, Lechonk, Eggs Are Cute, Ghastly Routes, Oinkalone, we got Clive, Primate, Poop, Barboach Reverse, Toadschool Reverse, and Hero Tom Holographic. Moving on. Let me know in the comments below how you guys are doing with this set. Are you guys still opening it? Have you completed it? Or just having fun opening up random packs here and there, not looking to complete the sets. Huh. Oh, Espartero EX joins the party. How you doing, buddy? That's still a hit. That still counts as a hit. So nice. One to the front. Steel Energy, not two. Wooper, Tendermouse, Monkey, Primate, Whimsicott, Scrafty, Primate Reverse, Eggs Are Cute Reverse, and how fitting, Executor Holographic. Moving on. Code card for you, one to the front. Last time we got a Fire Energy, we got a Fire pack opening. So let's hope this pack brings us the Fire. Killable Trail, Curlia, Nestball Reverse, Master Reverse, and Cyclizer Holographic. Not quite the Fire we were looking for. And no problem, we got a lot of packs left to go. Code card for you, one to the front. We got another Fire Energy. Can this do it? Got a little Fido, Haunter, Dash Bun, Camerupt, Crafty. There we freaking go! Shiny Murkrow. Such a beautiful shiny. Do we have a 2-for-1 combo? Okay, we don't. This time we just got Magmar and Reverum Holographic in the back. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful shiny. Purple Murkrow. Next up, code card for you. One to the front. We got a Nightball Energy. We got a Natu, a Rare Candy, Cottony, Pineco, Whimsicott, Scrafty. We got Curlia, Pineco Reverse, Xatu Reverse, and oh, Great Tusk with that Star Pattern Holographic. Nice. Moving on, continuing the opening. Yeah, this is definitely faster than if it would have been a 10 at a time. It would have been way slower that way. So Steel Energy, Fido, Magmar, Haunter, Mime Jr., Donphan, Atticus, Mousehold, hey, Reverse Pikachu, oof, Reverse Graplock, and Magmortar Holographic in the back. This is the end of our 7th tin already. Yeah, by the counts of the packs right here. Electric Energy, Paldean Students, Lapras, Scraggy, Mime Jr., Mousehold, Ultra Ball, Oinkalone, Xatu Reverse, Oinkalone Reverse, and Professor's Research. Moving on, the final 3 tins of our mini tin display. It goes by so freaking quick. Is this our first fist bump of the day? Let's do it. Fist bump energy. Paldean Students, Fido, Haunter, Natu, Nemona's Backpack, Whimsicott, Atticus, Graplock Reverse, Mimikyu Reverse, and Mabostiff Holographic. There ain't no problem. There ain't no problem. Code card for you. Steel Energy, Namel, Natu, Paldean Students, Cottony, Kilowood Trail, Clive, Dancing Curlia, Pikachu Reverse, once again. Oh! Illustration Rare Palmy Shiny. There we freaking go. That's a hit. And a Houndstone Holographic in the back. 2 mini tins left. Let's freaking do it. If you made it this far into the video, please drop a like, comment down below Pikachu. So I know that you made it this far. One to the front. We got a Darkness Energy. We got Nemona, Natu, Rare Candy. We got Cottonee, Curlia, Crisis Punch, Graplock. We got Toadschool Reverse. Oh! Illustration Rare Wugtrio once again making its appearance here in our freaking card opening video. And a Raichu holographic in the back. Wugtrio might be the Pokemon that we mostly pull here during Paldean Fates openings. I must have 6 or 7 at this point. Moving on, we got a Fire Energy. This pack brings us the fire. Maybe something that we don't already have. Charmeleon, Carney Reverse, Barboach Reverse, and Squawkabilly EX. Another one that freaking loves us and loves to make an appearance. Okay, final mini tin of the day. We're gonna leave Pikachu for our final pack. Code card for you. One to the front. And we're gonna take this pack and the last pack. Slow Leaf Energy. We got a Mastiff, a Routes. We got a Magmar looking up at the sky. We got a little Fido looking very, very cute. TM Crisis Punch. The evolution of Fido Dash Bun. How fitting. We got Mousehold Family. Okay, we got Reverse Exarcute, Reverse Lantern, and we got a Mimikyu holographic. Final pack of the day, final pack of the opening. We did manage to pull a few cards that we needed. Definitely needed that Murkrow, and hopefully we pulled something that we needed from the reverse section. So yeah, final pack of the day. Pikachu, buddy, bless us here on this last pack today. Code card for you. One to the front. That's a good start. We got an Electric Energy from that Pikachu artwork pack. We got Greavard, Chinchou, little Woobat, little Scraggy. We got an Electric Generator. Everything's pointing electric. Mousehold, another electric Pokemon Lantern. Ooh, Mousehold Shiny. That's a good way to end it. Do we have a 2-for-1 combo? Okay, we got a Falletto Reverse and ending the Pokemon opening with Professor Sada holographic. And there we have it. Mini tin display, completely empty. Fun opening. I love opening mini tins. Like I said, hopefully we managed to pull something that we don't already have for the binder. But yeah, that was the final product on our list as far as Pokemon releasing products featuring Paldean Fates. So after opening up so much Paldean Fates product, we have finally made it to the moment where I gather everything that I've opened from Paldean Fates, organize everything, and organize my binder. So that's gonna be very, very exciting. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If we did make it to the very end, don't forget to smash the like button. Comment down below if you are still opening up Paldean Fates as well. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll also keep you up to date whenever I release more videos. But with all that being said, I appreciate you for taking time out every day to watch my video. My name is Alvy. Until next one, peace.